What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will give a first look and quick hands-on to the iOS 14. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So I've installed it on my iPhone 7 and all the devices which support iOS 12 have been supported by this device. So the first thing I liked about the iOS 14 straight away was this call UI. It was criticized to Apple about this call UI for past several years, and recently a person made a video about bashing Apple about this thing, and I really felt bad that this guy is bashing the whole company on that call UI thing, and I wanted Apple to change that. So next thing is the widgets thing. Go into wiggle mode, then press the plus button. Right now you can see the plus button is going out because it is a beta. So then you can search and just press on any widget to bring it to real life, not real life, bring it to a home screen. Right now it is not coming because I think my home screen is filled. Yeah, my home screen is filled. Right, let me try here. Yeah, it's coming here. Like you can see, we can put both for you page and the album page. Then like we can put the forecast, and then this animation is alone really great. Then we have this app library which is introduced right now today in the iOS 14, and it really is a bomb. Like everything is really great on iOS 14, and for some reason my PUBG Mobile is not working. When I turned on my device, it was just like this. The logo was not showing up and it was automatically offloaded. So right now I'm testing it on my iPhone 7, and yeah, let me show you my battery capacity. My battery capacity is full at 100%, so my review will be great. And currently the battery life is in 30 minutes. I lost around 2% battery, which is really great for an 2000 mAh battery device. So that's it for today's video. I will make another review video soon, so be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. Till then, peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.